Hi there. Do you want to know whether this product works or not? Do you want to get the best possible deal on it? Of course you do. What kind of silly question am I asking you here? I attached a special link to gurusreviews.com, down there in the description. Just go check it out real quick. At this website, you'll find a professional review and a special offer for this product. Click the link now to go get it. Down there. I already told you this. Please note that this special offer is not available anywhere else. You're only going to find it here. It's only on gurusreviews.com. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel to get updates, and don't forget to visit the link below. I'll see you around. And hey, maybe next time I can save you even more. Bye.